In previous video, we have seen a question answer from question 1 to question 11. Let's revise the question number 11 and then we move further. The question number 11 is that a concave lens of focal length 50 centimeter. Here the f is given, it's a 50 centimeter. And here the concave lens is there. So in such a case, we have to take a focal length a minus sign as per the Cartesian sign. And it is form an image. Here the image is given. It's a 10 centimeter. And as here the concave lens, so we get the image same size of the object. So we have to take this image as a minus 10 centimeter. How far is the object placed from the lens and draw the ray diagram. We have to find out the u and also draw the ray diagram for this case. So here the given thing is the focal length. It's a f is equal to minus 50 centimeter and the image distance v, that is of minus 10 centimeter, as the concave lens form the image on the same side of the lens. And from the lens formula, the lens formula is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Now the 1 by u, here we have to find out the object distance. So 1 by u is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by f is equal to 1 by v is equal to, it's a minus 10, and the minus 1 by f means the focal length is a minus 15. So if we are taking the LCM of it, then we get the minus 3 plus 2 divided by 30. So the 1 by u is equal to 1 divided by 30, but it is in a minus. So the object distance u is equal to minus 30. This minus 30 is indicate that the object is placed in front of the mirror. Here, now let's see the figure. We get the object distance at the 30 centimeter, and as we have the focal length that is of minus 50. So it's a double of focal length. So we can say that we kept our object at the C, or you can say the 2f1. So in such a condition, we get the image between the f1 or O, and it is a small in size, and it is a real and the erect and real, and it's a small than the object. Now let's move further. Question number 12. An object is placed at the distance of 10 centimeter. Where the object is kept at the 10 centimeter, means the u is equal to minus 10 centimeter. Now the lens is given, it's a convex mirror. Not a lens, mirror is given, convex mirror. And the focal length is given, it's a 15 centimeter. So find the position and the nature of the image. Now the object distance is given, it's a minus 10, and here the convex lens. So we have to take plus, means the f is equal to plus centimeter, and we have to find out the position, means the position of the image, means the v we have to find out. As we have the formula of mirror, that 1 by u plus 1 by v is equal to 1 by f. So 1 by v is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. We have a f value, it's a plus 15, and u value as well, it's a minus 10. So the plus minus minus, we are taking the LCM, then the 2 plus 3 divided by 30, so is equal to 1 by 6. Here the LCM is there, so we have to just multiply it, and both the LCM, it's a 30, so the 15 2s are 30, and 10 3s are 30. So 2 plus 3 minus minus plus, so 2 plus 3 divided by 30. So the 5 plus 5 divided by 30, so 1 by 6 is our answer. So 1 by v is equal to 1 by 6. So the v is equal to 6 centimeter. This v is indicate that got our image at the 6 centimeter, and the positive size is denoted that we get our image at the back side of the lens. So the image distance V is equal to plus 6, and because V is a positive, so it's a virtual image and it's formed at the distance of 6 centimeter behind the mirror. As we have the formula of magnification, that m is equal to minus V divided by U. So V is equal to minus 6, and U, that is of means the object distance, height of the object, and the object distance. It's a 10. Here some mistake is that. So 6 by 10. So we get the answer 0.6. So 0.6 is the less than the 1. So the positive value of m, that shows that the image is erect, and its value which is less than 1, which shows that it is smaller than the object. Thus the image is virtual, erect, and the diminished one. Let's see one more time. The question number 12. An object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from convex mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. Find the position and the nature of the image. Object distance U is equal to minus 10 centimeter. The focal length f, it's a plus 15, and the image distance V, that we have to find out. From the mirror formula, as we have a mirror formula, that 1 by U plus 1 by V is equal to 1 by F, and we have 1 by V is equal to 1 by F minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by 15 minus 1 by minus 10 is equal to 2 plus 3 divided by 30 is equal to 1 by 6. So the V is equal to 6 centimeter. Thus the image distance is a plus 6 centimeter. It indicates that the image is formed behind the mirror, and the plus sign is indicates that it's a virtual image and the erect one. Now let's see the magnification. Magnification means m is equal to minus V by U. So the V is a minus 6 and the U, it's a 10, minus 10. U, that plus 6, and the V is a plus 6 and the U is equal to minus 10. Here the printing mistake is there. So we get the 0.6 and it's a less than 1. So the positive value m show that the image is erect, and its value minus minus become a plus. So, and which is less than the 1, and show that the image is smaller than the object, and the image is virtual, erect, and diminished one. Now let's move further. Question number 13. The magnification produced by a plane mirror is plus 1. So what does it mean? So answer, since magnification m is equal to, for mirror, h dash divided by h is equal to minus v divided by u. In given m is equal to plus 1, so h dash is equal to h. That means v is equal to minus u. So the m is equal to 1, which indicates that the size of the image is same as the object. So in that case, we can also assume that we kept our object on the sea. In such a case only we get the same size of image. The second case, the positive sign of m, which indicates that the image is erect form. And the opposite sign of a V and U indicates that the image is formed on the other side of the mirror from where the object is placed. For example, image is from behind the mirror and thus the image is from virtual. Let's see one more time. The magnification produced by the plane mirror is +1. What does it mean? So, as we have the formula of magnification, m is equal to h dash divided by h is equal to minus v divided by u. So, given m is equal to +1. So, we can say that the h dash is equal to h and the v is equal to minus u. Here the m is equal to 1 is indicate the size of the image is the same size of the object, and the positive sign of the m, it is indicate that the image nature is erect, image is erect in formed. And if the opposite side of v and u, which is indicates that image is formed on the other side, here you can see v is a positive and u is a negative. So the opposite sign of the v and the u is indicate that the image is formed on the other side of the mirror from where the object is placed. So the image is formed behind the mirror and image form is a virtual. Let's see the next question. Question number 14. An object 5 centimeter in a length is placed at the distance 20 centimeter. Here the object size is given, it's a 5 centimeter, and the u is given, the distance is a 20 centimeter. In front of a convex mirror. Here mirror is that and the convex is that. Of a radius of curvature, means the r is given, it's a 30 centimeter. So find the position of the image and its nature and the size. First of all, write down the given data as per the Cartesian sign. The object size h is obviously plus centimeter because it's above the principal axis, and the object distance u is equal to minus 20 centimeter from the pole, it's in left side, that's why. And the radius of curvature r is equal to 30 centimeter. From r we can find out the f. F is equal to r by 2. So the f is equal to become a 15. So as we have a mirror formula, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. And here we have to find out 1 by v. So 1 by v is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. Let's keep the value. 1 by f means 1 by 15 plus 15 minus u means the 1 by minus 20 is equal to 4 plus 3 divided by 16. So 7 divided by 60. So we get the v value. It's a 60 divided by 7. Means it is a 8.6 centimeter. Now as we have a magnification formula is equal to minus v divided by u is equal to h dash divided by h. So the h dash is equal to vh divided by u. V is equal to 8.6 and h means the object height is a 5 and u the distance of the object, it's a minus 20. So is equal to 2.15. So approximately we can consider it 2.2 centimeter. So here the virtual and the erect image of the height 2.2 centimeter is formed behind the mirror at the distance of 8.6 from the mirror. Let's see one more time. The question number 14. An object 5 centimeter in a length, means the h is given, and the is placed at the distance of 20 centimeter in front of convex mirror. And the u is given, it's a 20 centimeter, and the radius of curvature means the r is given, it's a 30 centimeter. Find the position of the image, its natural, its nature and the size. So the here first of all we have to write down the given data. It's a first one that is of object size. It's a 5 centimeter and it's above the pole principal axis. So it is a plus 5 centimeter. And the object distance u is given. It's a 20 centimeter. But as per the Cartesian sign we have to take a minus 20. and the radius of curvature is given 30 centimeter, and half of radius that we consider as a focal length. So the focal length f is equal to r by 2. So it's a 15 centimeter. As we have a formula that 1 by v is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. If I have kept the value 1 by 15 minus 1 by 20. So we get the V value. It's 8.6 centimeter, and magnification M is equal to minus V by U is equal to H dash divided by H. So the H dash is equal to V into H divided by U is equal to minus 8.6 into 5 divided by minus 20. So h dash means the height of the image is approximately 2.2 centimeter. So from it we can say that the image is a virtual and erect image, and the height is a 2.2 centimeter, is formed behind the mirror at the distance of 8.6 from the mirror. In next video we will see more, means a further question answer. Till that, thank you. Bye bye. Take care.